Hi, I'm Puchika Nirav and I'm the lead designer within Spacious. So I'm one of the partners. I've recently designed my own house and just wanted to highlight few things that I've done differently, which nowadays nobody follows. So first of all, if you will see the living room, in the entire house rather, I have not done false ceiling. I like the idea of wall lights and hanging lights. They enhance the overall look and beauty of the space. A kitchen again, it's a parallel kitchen that I have, and I've gone in for commercial ply rather than HDHMR. These days, there are a lot of myths about only using HDHMR. There are many carpenters and many vendors who only give HDHMR to probably raise the cost for the entire interiors, but commercial ply has been in the market since like forever. My daughter's room very differently, so we've tried to create a space where a lot of storage can come. There are some essence of colors through handles, some upholstery, some color here and there, rather than going in all pink or blue or any gender specific color. Yes, no doubt the washroom is definitely all pink because that was a request from her. Rest other rooms are very minimalist. What I've tried to do is I've done a very minimalist color all throughout the house. So the theme that you will see is wood finish and let's say morning glory. So it enhances the look. The furniture stands out. The the fabrics on the furniture stand out, and you can accessorize it with whatever you want. So I've used very pastel colors that you will see, no hard colors except for one highlight wall, which is our apparently our selfie wall or a photo shoot wall that we call it. I've used laminate in all the rooms, so I would recommend laminate also. We have evolved so much that laminates have a wide range of variety rather than going in for ducos or paints or veneers. The wardrobes, if you will see, like it's a personal choice. What I feel that I have given drawers at the bottom in each room, so which have our casuals or daily wear clothes which are like good to go, and formals are kept nicely in the sliders. Last but not the least, the house is Vastu complacent, so we also give Vastu consultations, and if you have any questions regarding that also, I would be happy to help. My house is west facing, and many people have some notions about not being in a west facing house, but that again is a myth. There are a lot of remedies that can be done to enhance it and to get the Vastu corrected. And touch wood, with God's blessing, everything is growing, my work is growing, my house is blessed. So yeah, you can connect with any questions and queries that you have. Thank you so much.